Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying exactly what you mean by AI Vader and why you need it. This narrows scope fast. Once you have keywords, gather identifiers like author, release year, and platform so searches return precise hits. Open your search tools and make sure you have account access and any API keys required. These let you query private repos or run advanced searches. Start with targeted queries rather than broad phrases to avoid noise and get immediate, actionable results. Once initial hits appear, expand to advanced operators and targeted repositories. Use site, repo, file type, and in text to isolate relevant code or docs. You should then cross-check findings across multiple sources, Git hosting, model registries, academic papers, and community forums to corroborate details. Inspect commit history, release notes, and any cryptographic signatures to verify authenticity. If you find forks or mirrors, compare diffs to confirm which branch is original. You now clone or fetch the model and run a lightweight test to validate behavior. Start with small inputs and controlled settings. Make sure dependencies and resource requirements are satisfied, and confirm licensing permits your intended use. If something goes wrong, check logs first, then verify file permissions and that your runtime version matches the model's requirements. One key troubleshooting tip: if outputs are garbled, roll back to the tagged release or a prior commit to isolate whether recent changes introduced the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.